Hello Mr. Gunawan, it's me again, Alexa Kylla. So today in this video, I want to tell you about my goals in my life. So let's get started. So I have a lot of goals in my life, and now I want to tell you about my goals for this year. So the first, my biggest goal is I will be slim. Yeah. Well, as you can see, I'm a little bit fat and chubby. Not a little bit. Yeah, I'm fat and chubby. So I want to be a little slim for my health too. Then, because I major in international relation, I will make my English skill better, and I will be able to diligently read international journals. And I also will improve my debate skill because in the year I was already active in debate activities. And my last goal is that my second and third semester grades will be better. So that's all my goals in the year. Thank you and bye bye.